If you've been eyeing Higgsfield AI but don't want to spend a ton of money, you're going to love this. This video, I'll show you exactly how to get Higgsfield AI for basically free. And by that, I mean the price is so low, it might as well be free. And yes, it's 100% real and working as of right now. So the first thing you want to do is click the first link in the description. This will take you to the trusted site where we can access discounted subscriptions and sometimes even free offers for tools like Netflix, Canva, Spotify, and obviously Higgsfield AI. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you see Higgsfield AI, then click on it. You'll land on the checkout page where all the details like how long the subscription lasts, the account type, and how much it'll cost are laid out. Before you complete the purchase, make sure you enter the discount code JAAKF in the promo code box and apply it. This is important because it gives you the maximum discount available. If it's your first time using the platform, you'll need to create a free account. Just sign up with your email and set a password. It takes less than a minute. After the purchase goes through, check your email. You'll receive all the information you need to access Higgsfield AI, either login details or simple setup instructions. Follow those steps, and you'll be using Higgsfield AI without paying the full monthly price. So yeah, if this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more legit tools and discounts. I'll catch you in the next one.